Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions, such as big banks or hedge funds, will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to both speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and down sides of the equation, so that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending downside of the equation. Today is Tuesday, October the 3rd. You can see ABNB, which is Airbnb, pop up here with nearly a 300% increase in institutional bearish pressure. It's at the top of the board, TradeAlgo.com, for our members to take advantage of. Stock ends up dropping nearly 4% as a result. Now, it's important to get that information early. Stock is down 3.9% as of right now, but you need the information before it makes that drop. So that's why we choose to follow large institutional investors who typically get information before the retail market, do larger transactions, $100 million, billion-dollar transactions that have the ability to affect the market more than the retail market. And we use machine learning technology to be able to identify at lightning speed at 8:13 a.m., okay, there's 6 times the average amount of institutional bearish pressure. So what does that look like in Airbnb? Well, what our technology is picking up on is the fact that in Airbnb, typically only $209 million of the stock is traded by large institutions in private exchange networks over a previous 7-day average. Today alone, Tuesday, October the 3rd, it's over $600 million. So it's hundreds of millions of dollars in a fraction of the amount of time. No wonder it's making such a large directional move today. When the market opened, the stock was sitting at about 133 and it dropped all the way down to 126. If you were to have followed smart money transactions and done put options on Airbnb, you could see a nice list of triple digit returns here. Let's say, for example, that you had done the $128 put option. We're going to take a look at the 15-minute chart because we know our AI picked it up in the pre-market. Options opened at about 61 cents this morning and hit a high of $2.95, over a 380% return. But it's not about squeaking every last percentage point out of it. The market moves very quick, as you can see. The point is to be able to have the information and react down here by using TradeAlgo, as opposed to using other retail news outlets or other outdated resources and getting your information over here after it's already moved. There's plenty of profitability in between. For example, maybe you didn't even get in the trade until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then maybe you hopped out early over here at a triple-digit return. That's still a fantastic trade. Get your data and your information down here. Stop chasing it over here. And it wasn't just Airbnb. There were many other opportunities, but we don't have time to go through all of them. So let's maybe take a look at one or two key more. On the mid-cap side of the equation, TradeAlgo.com, SoFi pops up here with a 160% increase in bearish volume. Stock ends up dropping nearly 6% as a result. Again, speed and transparency are the two critical elements that most people are missing in their investment journey. 8:18 a.m. using TradeAlgo on the alerts tab, you can see that there's 1.64 times the average amount of bearish volume that's normally seen there. If you were to have followed smart money transactions into SoFi put options, you could see a nice list of triple-digit returns. Let's say that you had done the $7.50 put option. Again, we're just going to stay with the 15-minute chart. At its maximum, it's a 328% return. But again, maybe you didn't get in until nearly 10 a.m., and then maybe you hopped out early at a triple-digit return. Get the data down here. Stop chasing it over here. One more example before we go ahead and wrap up the day. Let's go to the small cap on the trending downside of the equation. You can see FNGR, which bottomed out 35%. Catastrophic drop for FNGR today. 331% increase in institutional bearish volume. One more check onto the TradeAlgo alerts tab. You can see that was identified at 8:33 a.m. or excuse me, 9:33 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is just a couple minutes after the market opened. 2.13 times what's normally seen there. And if we go to the put options chain, let's say you had followed smart money transactions, done some put options, the $4.50, we're going to go to the 3-minute chart. We're going to roll all the way out. This is the 933 candle, so this is when the AI had originally picked it up. At its maximum, it's up 485%. But remember, this is a 3-minute candle. This is moving pretty quickly, so maybe you didn't even get in until 12:30. Who knows? You still have the opportunity to make a triple-digit return. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.